Are you pissed that you missed the first huge moves in the crypto markets where some made millions? Do you wish you had invested, or better yet, even understood what crypto is, how it works, and how to invest? Are you finally ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency? We've got something special just for you, a free, comprehensive training course for beginners. Imagine understanding the ins and outs of crypto, mastering the basics effortlessly, and taking control of your financial future. Well, you don't have to imagine anymore. Our free course is here to make it happen. No catch, no cost, just pure knowledge waiting to be unlocked. Whether you're a total beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this 12-chapter, easy-to-digest video course is tailor-made for you. Cryptocurrency is not just a trend, it's the future of finance. And the best part? You can be a part of it starting today. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Empower yourself. Take the first step towards financial freedom and download our free comprehensive crypto training course right now. Enter the link above, start your crypto journey, and unlock a world of possibilities. The future is digital. Are you ready for it? Don't just watch the revolution, be a part of it. Download your free course today. Let's make crypto history together. Download now!